In the world of email, having a business Gmail account can make a big difference for your professional communication. Unlike a regular Gmail account, a business Gmail account is tailored for businesses and offers several advantages. Let's delve into what a business Gmail account is and how you can create one. A business Gmail account is an email service provided by Google specifically designed for businesses. It comes with a professional touch, allowing you to use your own domain name for email addresses like yournameyourbusiness.com. This not only looks more professional, but also helps in branding your business. Additionally, a business Gmail account provides enhanced security features and more storage space compared to a personal Gmail account. To create a business Gmail account, you'll need to sign up for G Suite, which is now called Google Workspace. Go to the Google Workspace website and click on the Get Started button. Google Workspace offers different plans depending on your business needs. Select a plan that suits your requirements and budget. You can usually try it for free for a trial period. If you don't have a Google account associated with your business domain, you'll need to create one during the sign-up process. This will serve as your administrator account for managing the business Gmail account. Google will ask you to verify that you own the domain associated with your business. This involves adding a unique code or record to your domain's DN settings. This step is crucial for security and ensures that only authorized users can create accounts with your business domain. Once your domain is verified, you can start creating email accounts for your business. Add the names and details of your team members, and they will receive invitations to set up their business Gmail accounts. Customize your business Gmail settings to fit your business needs. You can add your company logo, set up email aliases, and configure security settings to enhance the overall email experience for your team. Once everything is set up, you and your team can start using your new business Gmail accounts for professional communication. Take advantage of features like shared calendars, video meetings, and collaborative document editing to boost productivity. Business Gmail account is a valuable tool for businesses looking to maintain a professional online presence. By following these simple steps, you can create a business Gmail account and enjoy the benefits of a secure, branded, and efficient email system for your business.